Now next part is fifth part. What are the equations? 4 by 3x plus 2y equals to 8, 2x plus 3y equals to 12. A1 is 4 by 3, B1 is 2, C1 is minus 8. A2 is 2, B2 is 3, C2 is minus 12. A1 by A2, A1 by A2 is 4 by 3, multiply 2 here, sorry 2 ja, 2 1 ja, it will be 2 by 3, B1 by B2, 2 by 3, here you can see A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. The C1 by C2, minus 8 upon minus 12, that is 4 2 ja 12, 4 3 ja, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So here you can see that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. Therefore, pair of equations is consistent with infinitely many solutions.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.